Hey guys, so I quickly wanted to show you just a quick way to adjust the elastics in your face mask. So the way that I tie them off when I am tying them off as I'm making them for you is I take the elastic, which is typically about 10 inches long. Originally, I was making them around 8 to 8 and a quarter of an inches long, but I found that to be a little bit too short. And I was also stitching them in, and that was a little restrictive as well, and not allowing you to be able to adjust them. So, since then, I have now decided that I will start tying them off to make them a lot easier for you to be able to adjust them at home. Because when I am cutting them, you're not here with me, and I am trying to make them as much of a standard fit as possible. So if you have smaller ears or if your face is a little larger, the elastic that I include should be enough to adjust the elastic and make them fit a little bit better for your face. So again, as I am tying them for you, I actually tie them like this. And I take this and tie it around my fingers, if you can kind of see it here, and I pull that little bit of amount through. So as I'm adjusting it, I'm either pulling it this way or pulling it this way to just kind of either loosen it or tighten it. So this has actually just tightened it, which this is pretty much about what I give on a standard face mask. So if for some reason you want to adjust it at home, there are several options that you can do. You can take some tweezers and sort of take this little knot a loose. I try to put it as loose as possible, but I know sometimes it tightens up as I am pulling it into the little pocket there. So you can take tweezers and kind of go under that loop. You can see that, and loosen it up there. Kind of loosen it up with your tweezers. If for some reason it's too tight, and you can either retie it or just kind of loosen it up with a little bit of give and adjusting it here. Making either tight or making it a little bit looser by kind of stretching it out. I hope you guys can see that. And that kind of made it a little bit looser for those who might need more room either around the ears or just to make this stretch further across the face. And then you still even have some tail left here. Once you're done with that, you go back and take it and tuck it back into the little sleeve pocket. If you have issues for some reason getting it back into the sleeve pocket where the knot is neat, again, take tweezers or any kind of device that will actually help you get a grasp here and just kind of tuck that into the little pocket and then slide it over. And that makes it look nice and neat. And you now have your newly adjusted face mask.